Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. Now I am telling about difference between single phase and three phase. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single phase versus three phase. Single phase power system only have one neutral wire and one power wire with current flowing through them. In a three phase system, there are three power wires carrying the load. Because of the structure of a single phase system, there are peaks and dips in power that change during the cycle. A three-phase system is more steady and can carry a higher load. In this video, I will show you some difference between single-phase and three-phase power. Single-phase versus three-phase. Single-phase power supply requires two conductors. Three-phase power supply requires three conductors. The two wires conductors in single-phase system are called phase and neutral. All the three wires conductors in three-phase system are called phase. Since there is only a single wire, there is only one AC signal, usually a sinusoidal waves. The three wires in three-phase supply carry AC signal of its own and the three signal are 120 degree apart. The supply voltage in single phase power supply is 230 degree volt. In three phase power supply, the supply voltage is 415 volt. Power delivery in single phase supply is not consistent due to the peak and dips in voltage. Due to three conductors with 120 degree phase difference, the power delivery in three phase supply is always steady and consistent. The peaks and dips of the three AC signal are compensated by each other. Single phase power supplies always have a neutral wire. It acts as a return path from the load. Neutral wire is optional in three phase power supplies. Delta connections have no neutral wires, but star connection may or may not have neutral wire. Single phase supply is relatively less efficient than a three phase supply for the same power delivery. Three phase power supply is more efficient as it can deliver three times the power than a single phase power supply with just one additional wire. The chance of fault is higher as a single phase power supply has only one phase. If it fails, then there is no power. Even if there is fault in one or two phase, the remaining phase will continue to deliver power in three phase power supply. So the chance of fault is less. It is ideal for small loads like lighting and heating. Three-phase supply can handle large industrial motors. Usually, single-phase power supply is served to residential and domestic needs, often split phase from a three-phase supply. Three-phase power supply is usually served to large commercial centers and industries. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.